These vehicle reassembling videos are going absolutely crazy on social media right now. And I'm not just talking about bikes. I've created the exact same style of reassembling videos with cars, helicopters, and even airplanes. That means you can build an entire content channel around this idea without running out of content anytime soon. The best part? This niche is still surprisingly unsaturated, which means you're getting in before everyone else catches on. So if you've been looking for a viral AI niche that actually has room to grow, this might be it. And the craziest part? You don't need any expensive software or paid AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like these without spending a single dollar. So grab a coffee, or don't. Your attention span probably won't survive long enough anyway. All right, let's get into it. The first thing I've done is create a master prompt for you guys. And trust me, this thing is insanely powerful. It does almost all the hard work for you. First, copy the entire master prompt. Once you've copied it, open ChatGPT, paste the master prompt into the prompt box, and hit send. Within just a few seconds, ChatGPT will ask you to select a category. You'll see options like bike, car, airplane, and helicopter. For this example, I'm choosing bike, so I simply type bike into the prompt box and hit send. Just like that, ChatGPT gives us 10 unique bike ideas to choose from. If you don't like any of them, don't worry. Simply type more and it'll generate another fresh set of ideas. But for now, I'm going with number 6. So I type 6 into the prompt box, hit send, and wait just a few seconds. And boom, ChatGPT generates one highly detailed image prompt and one highly detailed video prompt. These prompts are specifically designed to create a professional-looking final video with much better results than a basic prompt. Now it's time to generate the image. Copy the image prompt and open Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to image generation mode. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose the number of outputs you want, and then select the Nano Banana Pro image model. Once everything is set up, simply paste the image prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. Within just a few seconds, your images will be ready. As you can see, all the bike parts are displayed separately. The composition looks clean and the overall quality is excellent. Honestly, this already looks better than what a lot of people are posting. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Return to Google Flow AI, click on the generated image, and choose the Animate option. Select the OmniFlash video model, paste the video prompt, and hit Generate. It usually takes less than a minute. And there it is. Our video is ready. Take a look. It looks exactly how we wanted, with all the parts smoothly reassembling into a complete bike. The motion feels satisfying, the quality looks premium, and it's the kind of video people keep watching because they want to see the final result. Once it's finished, simply download the video in the highest resolution available. So, that's the complete workflow. It's honestly one of the easiest viral AI niches you can start right now. And since it's still relatively unsaturated, this is probably the best time to jump in before everyone else starts copying it. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to AI Xcentress so you never miss the newest viral AI niches, powerful prompts, and step-by-step tutorials before they become mainstream. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.